Hi, my name is Klaus, I'm inspector today. This is the 4 Series I'm inspecting for you today. I'm going to go over the road test in a second and report drivability issues in a summary. Overall, the vehicle is good, the paintwork is good, the bodywork itself as well. There are a few minor scratches, probably that's the biggest one, but there's a few light scratches on some panels. You'll see them in the pictures. Alloy wheels are good for the age, but with oxidation marks, if desired, can be refurbed. It's a buckled near the valve area, so that would need repair. Brakes, 80% left on pads, but however, front discs has heavy wear and tear, would need replacing. So when these pads will wear out, it needs discs and pads, same as at the back. Not very excessive wear, but it is in minimum readings. Regards to handbrake, a bit of excessive travel, recommend handbrake service at the back. Tires are good for this vehicle. The vehicle haven't been resprayed. As you can see, the seller is a bit of a DIY guy. This section here is broken, would need plastic, sort of, let's call it welding. That's a minor thing. Battery is good. Interior is in very good condition for the age, for 2014. Same as at the front. There's some acceptable wear and tear on the vehicle. Regards suspension, in next year or two would need front shock absorbers, as they are weak but still acceptable, but could do with replacing. Engine mounts are good on this one. There's no leaks. There's a bit of weep developing on the left side diff seal. It's not leaking, it's misting around, so monitor. Yeah, that's about it about this vehicle. Yeah, front left, front arm bush starts developing excessive movement, but still in place, so can be replaced when desired. Otherwise, thanks for using us. We're going to go for the road test and the rest of the issues, servicing and stuff as they are. It's not a full BMW service history. There's one aftermarket garage to the service in 2021. But yeah, however, it's a good car for the age of mileage, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks for using us.